Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can insert a video or audio in your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply, we have to open the Google Slides presentation, and after opening that, we have to go to the insert option. So let's click on the insert option. And after clicking on the insert option, as you can see, has the audio option. So I'm going to click on the audio. And after clicking on the audio, now we have to choose that which audio you want to insert. As you can see, has the Google Drive option, which is provided here. For example, I'm going to choose this. You have to choose that whatever you want to add. So for example, I'm going to click on this. So let's click on the insert, and after clicking on insert, the audio will be added. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So I'm going to this one again. As you can see, now it's here. Now if you want to play this, so let's see the example. So as you can see, now it's working. If you want to delete this, you can also do that. As you can see now here, simply you have to click on this, and now you have to press the delete, and the audio will be deleted. So I'm going to press the Control Z. As you can see, some audio options are also provided here, like the size, rotation, position, recorder, and automatically on click. These all options are provided. If you want to control them, you can also do that. So in this way, you can insert audio on your presentation. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can insert audio in your presentation. So see you guys in the next video.